Hey everybody, welcome back to Shanice Shopping Saga. So I don't know if there's much going on in here. We haven't been in this one in a while, but we're just gonna see what they have. I know we were in Five Below yesterday, and Riley said, "Mommy, look, they have knockoff Labubus. They're calling them La Babies. So it's VVGG, Lily, and Zuzu." Look at the personal fans. Those are 15. Personal misting fan. I see gray and white. For a person lounger, 25. Flamingo pool party. Knee hockey game sprinkler for 20. There's an inflatable towel top float. Inflatable fountains, and they have all their different floaties. It's a splash seat. I pee in pools. Oh no. Leave me alone. I'm the problem. It's me. Son of a beach. Here's the boba, the safari. And they do have the chairs. Yes, my love. Their bags. Yes. They do have some new shirts. So it's USA, Maryland. Oh, Maryland Blue Crabs, Crush, Jaws, Chill Out, Bikini Bottom. I'm just here for the wieners. I can feel it in my nuggets. We ride at dawn, fireworks, and those, and then some bags. It's a crawfish, the flowers. Very cute. The original icon. Dumbo and the princesses. We saw the shorts yesterday, but here's some of the tops for $7. Those dresses are $5. Look at those dresses. The leopard. Let's see if they have any more shorts. It's these. Oh, these are just some cut-off shorts. We did see the stars yesterday. The horseshoe and the cherry. And some of the sleep shorts. The shirt wall looking the same. Okay. And look at these. Double take. These are $5. Red, black, the stones. Some smiley faces. And some dominoes. Be the flower. I like that. Of course, it looks like a Pandora, the rope. I know everybody's probably familiar with those. There's a bee, a lock. And then they still have these right here. Look at that. Lucky girl. Peachy. There's trending hair, the bows. Some of those bows, they have it like in a cat corner. Some of the earrings. This one says stop, cherry bomb. Have a crystal for that. I have a crystal for that. It's a seashell, cactus, butterfly. Very mature. It's the fruits. Cute. And bows everywhere. And then look at these. They're in gold, silver. I'm like right under the speaker, so hopefully they have it planned. It says strength is believing in yourself, so there's strength. Magic is something you create. Magic, love always wins. The Empress, the Lovers, the Star, and then there's the Zodiac signs: Gemini, Taurus, Aries, Pisces, Aquarius, Capricorn. That's me. Cancer, Leo. I was supposed to say Leo, but it says Lee. Yes, baby. Virgo, Scorpio, Libra. And some more. There's quartz, rose, amethyst, jade, lapis, moonstone, onyx. Some more jewelry. That's cute. The strawberries. Besties, coastal. Besties. Peanut butter and jelly. Oh, look at these cute hats. Bought these for the girls yesterday, and I picked these up with the quickness. The initial necklaces. So there's all the initials, and then there's build your own layers. Strawberry, the heart, the boot, the seashell, starfish. Oh look, it's a cute watermelon. And cherries. Didn't see those the last time. Some of the bottoms with the tops. California. Alright, let's cross the favorite shirts. Mommy's not talking to anybody. She said, hi, Aria. That's her sister's name. She's like, bye. Some of the shorts. Sleeve shorts with the tops. Oh, look at that Betty Boop. Definitely gotta grab it. I love me some Betty Boop. Some more tops, shorts. Strawberries, and then there's a plain black one. I like this little set right here. Probably has the tops. I just see the... I like the way that bottom is. It's probably too short for me. But that's cute. Some of those tops with those bottoms. So happy she has changing clothes because she is so dirty. There's that one. Ironically, is it ironically hot? Large teddy bears, fresh. There's Twilight. I was just talking about this movie the other day too. Set your mind on things above. I was trying to see if it said on the side what that other one said, but I don't see it. All right. Some tennis stuff. Well, not tennis, pickleball. Saw these yesterday in the blue. They have the pink and then the all black. Let's see. Do they have any new perfume over here? No. Okay, no. No. Alright, Sultan Toys. They finally have them together. The ring and the bow. Alright. right, so since we moved to the new house and have more space, we're getting a dog and a cat. How does that work? No animals to 2. Oh, look, Skyra. Look. Skyra, look. Bluey. You want this? Okay, we're going to clean your hands off first. We're going to grab it, but you got to clean your hands. I like this. And there's that one. And the cow. This is a wireless charging gravity mount. Okay. That's kind of neat. They have it in pink. We did see this one. However, I got this for Riley. It stopped working in a week. It stopped working in a week. They have some different power banks. They had the blingy ones. Now they have those. You can like pop it in. My blingy one's still working. It works okay. A hot sauce power bank. There's a strawberry. What's this right here? Looks like somebody returned it. Maybe it was like the wrong, but it's a blingy card. Maybe it was like the wrong port for them. Different little slimes. It's a slime with cookies on the top. This one looks like Pop-Tarts or cookies. Tangerine, all kind of slime. Look at these squishies. Color your own squishies. Oh, the slimy gloop is in the it's in like the little jars, the self-care jars. Pink sand. All right, so they have these bags over here for $5. These are cute. But I think, yep, that's gonna be it for us in this Five Below, y'all. Thank y'all so much for clicking on this video, browsing around with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Uh-oh. Yep, the same Lucky Charms stuff. Oh, look, it's in a little SpongeBob. Lip gloss and fragrance, perfume, and Stitch and Barbie. Came over here to show y'all the bag charms, and I almost forgot about these too. And the duck and the heart. Up at the register now. I see some of the 4th of July stuff. On Memorial Day, look at this, teeny tinies. Glow flag, cute little necklace. Some coloring books. But I think that's gonna be it for us in this Five Below. Let me just check one more area before I speak too fast.